Okay, so before we start this video, let's just appreciate how filthy my bike is. Oh my god, you can tell that I've not ridden this bike for such a long time now. Okay, so to start off, what you'll need to do is you'll need to take the seat off. Once you've done that, you'll then need to take the back seat off. There is a little bar that goes across the back there, and the seat sits on that bar, so I would suggest you just take the bar off and just move the seat to the side rather than taking the seat off and then taking the bar off as well. It'll save you time and it's a lot less messing about. Now once you've done that and you've moved it to the side, you'll then need to go to the neutral wire and screw that and move that one to the side. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and move over to the positive and screw that one and move that to the side as well. After you've successfully moved the wires out of the way, you'll then need to take the little air box top off. Now with doing that, you can also clean your air filter like I did, because it was an absolute state and I don't think I've cleaned it since I've had the bike, or replaced it since I've had the bike. I know, very naughty. So once you've done that, you'll then need to take the little white fuse box off before you can actually get at the battery. Now what's beneath that fuse box? Well, it's a little bolt that holds the bar on top of the battery. So you're not going to get that battery out until you've done that process. So first of all, what you'll need to do is you'll need to get a little flathead screwdriver, go down the side of it, and it'll be a little clip. All you'll need to do is clip that off, remove that, and then it'll expose the bolt for you to take off. Once you remove that bolt, then you can then remove the bar from above the battery, which will then expose the battery, letting you take the battery out. But that's how it's done, guys and girls. The reason I made this video is because I didn't see any videos on YouTube about this at all, not even for the Benelli tnt 135, so why not?